Hey guys, welcome back to Style Reviews, and what looks like it's going to be a very short and to the point review. Clap, clap, clap. We've got the Demoniacal Fit Trunkus custom head sculpt set, transparent hair version. So there are two of these, and as you can see, it's a long hair as well as the Super Trunks, Super Saiyan hair for future Trunks. This is the Saiyan armor version. Your Toy Link, they were the ones who hooked me up with this. They actually have both of these on sale for 65 bucks, which is pretty cool considering this retails for towards 50 in itself. Alright, so taking a look. I've already opened these once, but pretty straightforward stuff. Quality, pretty good. We'll take a look at the long hair first. Basically, he comes with long hair, but it's in the ponytail. So, get that out of the way. Alright. Same deal. Now, this does work with the faces that come with Trunks. I believe it comes with two. You can just fit it in like the other face. Alright, and it is a little bit tight to go on at first, but I can't really knock that because even the default hairs that come with these figures, these SH Figure Arts, they're pretty tight when you first put the faces on and things like that too. And it looks good. Sorry for having my hand all in the way, but I wanted to make sure it was nice and tight. Seam is there, but it's pretty decent. I mean, it's to be expected. But that looks killer. Even before this was announced, I wanted longer hair for my Trunks figures for the longest. Take a look at how this looks. Not using my turnstile this time, just turning it with my hand. But let's see if we can do a little something with that gap. It's kind of what it is. Definitely not the worst, but looks good. I dig it. I really do. And since we have it zoomed in, get that split. I guess we could just pop the whole head off since we gotta get this on anyway. Pop that back headpiece on. Zoom out a little bit because as you can see it's higher. And one neat thing that I've seen people do, particularly to match this better, is use the shoulders from the Vegeta 2.0 since they're a little bit more broad. And that gives it more of a, I guess, complete full look. Because Super Trunks and Super Vegeta both are really bulky figures. And the Vegeta 2.0 was actually first announced as Super Vegeta. And it makes sense because it's bulkier than all get out. Alright, just getting them in posed into something quick for the sake of getting them posed. But this looks really good. Face is really well done. It color matches really well to the neck, which was a problem I've had with some of the, like the Goku and Vegeta faces, their first stuff. This is way better. I'd actually love to check out the non-transparent version, because from what I saw, that actually has shading and stuff like that too. But even this looks really good. Not gonna lie, I might have to hunt the other down. I'm just doing the seemingly impossible task. Getting that guy balanced, but yeah, there you go. And again, this has been the Demoniacal Fit Trunkus custom head sculpt set. Pretty straightforward. You can check out some pictures of both of these, as well as some comparison to other SH Figure Arts figures and things like that. Not necessarily comparison, but group shots and whatnot on kumasala.com. Link will be in the description. Thank you guys very much for watching. And again, order yours at Your Toy Link. Link will be in the description to those guys too. Really good customer service and things like that. Pretty much anything SH Figure Arts, whether it's US or Japanese releases, they sell them. Awesome stuff, and you should definitely check them out. Anyway, thank you guys for the support. Like, share, subscribe. See you next time.